Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect bleed and crop marks in InDesign for printing, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe InDesign and create a new document. Set your document size to the dimensions required for your project. In the new document dialog, locate the bleed and slug section. Enter your desired bleed amount, typically 0.125 inches or 3 millimeters. Click OK to create your document. With your new document open, go to the View menu. Select Screen Mode and then choose Normal to view your layout properly. To set up guides for your crop marks, navigate to the Layout menu. Select Margins and Columns and input your margin values. Next, go to File and click on Document Setup. Ensure your bleed settings match the ones you input when creating. Now, design your layout ensuring that images and backgrounds extend to the bleed area. As you work, make sure all critical elements stay within the safe zone defined by your mark. To check your bleed, click on View again. Select Overprint Preview to see how your design will look when printed. With your design complete, go to File and select Export. Choose a location on your computer for the file and select Adobe PDF, Print, as the format. Click Save and you will see the Export Adobe PDF dialog box. In the General tab, ensure you select the appropriate PDF preset for your project. Navigate to the Marks and Bleeds tab in the dialog. Check the box for crop marks to include the crop marks in your final PDF. Also, check Use Document Bleed Settings to add the bleed area. Click Export to create your PDF with the crop and bleed marks included. Open the exported PDF to confirm that everything looks correct. Your design is now ready for printing with bleed and crop marks properly set up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.